One of the hardest things to rebuild after growth is self trust, especially if there was a time when you ignored red flags, minimized your feelings, explained away what felt off. When you've been wrong before or stayed too long before, it's easy to question your perception now. You might ask, am I overreacting? Am I being too sensitive? Am I seeing this clearly? But here's what growth changes. Growth doesn't just give you boundaries, it sharpens your awareness. You are not the same person who overlooked the signs. You are not the same person who tolerated confusion. You are not the same person who silenced their intuition to keep the peace. Today's shift is this: you can trust your perception now, not because you're perfect, but because you are paying attention. Clarity feels different than anxiety. Discernment feels different than fear. And the more you honor what you notice, the stronger that trust becomes. You don't have to relive every mistake to prove you've learned. You can trust that you've grown. Now let's say that together. I can trust my perception now, not because I'm perfect, but because I am paying attention. Clarity feels different than anxiety. Discernment feels different than fear. And the more I honor what I notice, the stronger that trust becomes. I do not have to relive every mistake to prove that I have learned. I can trust that I have grown. You are not who you were, and that matters.